because the court order says so.
Kawadhi nyime familia moro ma wuok e gweng' ma Bokurati e sub-county ma Nyamira North nikod midhiero ka giywago wuodgi mong'ere kaka Shadrack Mogisi ma jahigni 7 manowito ngimane bang' chamo kit muogo moro e seche mag migago chieng' ngeso mokalo. Rawerano kaachiel gi familia mare kamoting'o wetene 4 kod min nochamo muogo eka bang'e ne gichako winjo rem kar saa 5 otieno kabine gidhi kar thieth. Kata kamano Shadrack ne owito ngimane e yo kapok gichopo e kar yudo thieth ma Nyamira Referral. Jatend kar thieth no Laktar Angela Ogendi owacho ni muogo no ema nonego rawerano kendo kelo hinyruok ne moko kuom familia no. Muogo mawachore ni nomigi gi jirandgi.
Omuogo alienda kibarua akabewa na huyu mwenye alimpea kazi huyu muogo. Huyu mama akakuja akaanza kupika, wakakula watoto lunch. Wakaendelea tu vizuri, wakafika masaa ya saa 5 watoto wakaanza kukomplain. Yaani wakisikia kizunguzungu na kugonjeka hivi na kuna nguvu, inaisha nguvu kabisa. Akaniita tukakuja, tukapeleka watoto ya Kerenyo. Tukafika Kerenyo, wakatibiwa, hakupata nafuu wote, tukaambiwa referral tu Nyamira. Tukakuja Nyamira, tukiwa njiani huyu mtoto mdogo akafariki.
On Friday night, we received 4 kids plus their mother who had been brought in a critical condition, but one child succumbed on arrival. The other one was critically ill, was admitted to our ICU. The other ones, we managed to stabilize them and discharge them home. The kids were brought in with the history of having consumed cassava that lunchtime. So in the evening, they started experiencing severe abdominal pains, vomiting, dizziness, difficulty in breathing, and the other one was brought in with a history of loss of consciousness, the one who is currently admitted at our ICU.
Ringre japuonjre Michael